Hi everybody, it's Renee from Whaaat, and I'm here today to share with you how to make these really easy hay bales. So what you will need is a box of any size, and you will need, I got a child luau skirt. For the bigger one, the bigger box, I bought an adult size. You'll need some scissors and some twine. So let's get started. These are so easy and they're just temporary. I just use them around in the house. Not sure if it'll go outside at all because a lot of times we have really bad weather around here, but we really decorate up our foyer. So I got the one skirt over it, and I like to add two just to add a little bit more oomph to it. And we take our string. So easy, guys. And I'm just going to tie it around over here. So we just make sure it's really pulled tight as you can. So we got the one piece of twine across, and I'm gonna make sure these are all tucked up, pulled up. We can fix all that when we're done here. And I'm just gonna put another one on here, like so. And I'm gonna bring it again all the way around to the back. And tie this up. And we're almost done. That's how easy it is. We just love decorating for Halloween. I hope everybody else is having a good season for the Halloween. No goblins and whatnot. And I'm just wanting the front to show. So just kind of move it around, and you can go the extra step and color this a little bit lighter. We're just using it for decorative purposes, so that's how we're doing it. And it's easy as that, a hay bale. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I got some more coming. Some of them might not be tutorials, but I definitely have some more great Halloween projects. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.